Ever pondered on the importance of bleeding a hydraulic jack? You're about to uncover the enigma. Today, we delve into the realm of hydraulic jacks, focusing on the significance, the step-by-step method, and safety precautions of bleeding one. Start by gathering your necessary tools: a hydraulic jack, a flathead screwdriver, and a cloth. Here's what you'll be using these for. The screwdriver comes in handy to open the release valve, and the cloth is there to assist with cleaning up any accidental spills. The next stage requires you to get to know your hydraulic jack. Pinpoint the release valve's location, typically identified as a small, flat slot situated close to the jack's base. This valve plays a crucial role as it serves as the escape route for any trapped air. All right, let's get moving. First things first, grab your trusty screwdriver. Now, you're going to gently give the release valve a little counterclockwise twist. Remember though, we're going for a finesse move here, not brute strength. We don't want to damage the valve now, do we? Keep your open and listen carefully. Hear that? That's of the trapped air escaping. Music to our ears. Alright, so here we are at the fourth step, and let me tell you, patience is really your best friend at this stage. You know what they say, hold your horses? Well, this is the perfect time to do just that. Just chill and listen closely for the hissing sound to completely fade away. Now you're probably wondering, why the hissing sound? Well, that hissing you're hearing is actually the trapped air escaping. And when it stops, it's a clear sign that all the sneaky air pockets, which could mess with the efficiency of your hydraulic jack, have finally made their grand exit. So, it's simple. When the hissing ends, you're good to go. Your hydraulic jack is now completely free of air pockets and ready to perform at its best. After you hear the hissing sound come to a halt, your next step is to deal with the release valve. Now this is key. Remember to twist it clockwise using your handy screwdriver. But hey, don't get carried away. Make sure to use a gentle force so you avoid causing any unnecessary damage. Moving on to step 6, let's give our hydraulic jack a bit of a workout. I want you to raise and lower it a few times, just to ensure it's operating smoothly. Now if it feels a bit off, or isn't behaving the way you think it should, don't sweat it. This could simply be a sign that it's time for another round of bleeding. No biggie, right? So let's keep going. Finally, make sure to clean up any oil spills with your cloth. Always prioritize safety. An oil spill can lead to mishaps, and also, remember that a tidy workspace is a productive workspace. To wrap it up, the process of bleeding a hydraulic jack involves these 7 easy steps. 1. Assembling your tools: a hydraulic jack, a flathead screwdriver, and a cleaning cloth. 2. Identifying the release valve on your hydraulic jack. 3. Opening the release valve counterclockwise using your screwdriver. 4. Waiting for the hissing sound to stop. 5. Closing the release valve by turning it clockwise. 6. Testing your hydraulic jack. 7. Cleaning up any oil spills or leaks. By adhering to these steps, you can bleed a hydraulic jack and ensure it works to its maximum capacity. It's a hassle-free procedure that does not demand any technical knowledge or special tools. Therefore, let a wee bit of trapped air hinder your hydraulic jack from performing its task. Bleed it and get it back in action.